So guys, remember I talked that I'll be launching a free website that will be giving all the learning away. So each day it's updated. I'll show you guys in a moment. It's all completely free, each day updated, and you can check it out. And it has mindset part. So I'm launching this new Instagram page, Talk Adi Talk, and it already has a reel that touched 1.3 million. So mindset talk and how to do things will be on that one. And for the Shivai Instagram and this YouTube channel, I'll be updating this website a lot. So it will have a photo section, all my Substack. So I launched a Substack too, The Practitioner, that goes out each Sunday. It goes out one panel for it, and you can read it out. And LinkedIn also has been updated. X is also being updated. So you can read things out on this one. It has a lot of Claude one also. So you can check it out. I'll show you a sneak peek in this video. But go through the website. It updates each day. It has images. It has articles. I'm posting mostly on images. You can follow me on other socials. You already have the links and you can search it up. And I'll also put the in link in bio, or you can say in description also. And you can check these out. And with that being said, let's have a look over it. It's completely free. If you want to have a mentorship with me, that costs money. You can go through that one. And yeah, let's see it. So as you can see, this is the learning page. So it has a Claude one, and it has visuals where you can see the visuals about things. And then this is for the mindset one, what the things that I do. And this is the media feed for it, where all my medias will be there, the YouTube channel, Medium, and all those things. So you can have a look over it. It's super good. And it updates each day, and navigation is really easy with it. And if you are not able to find my socials, you can just click on socials on the website and you will be able to get it. And with that being saying, you can follow me along and I'll post new videos. So there has been few changes. I've been really busy, so I'm not able to post that much, but you can see it out and let me know and follow it along.